Hi Year 1, welcome to the Jungle Quiz. Are you ready for this? Question 1. Which jungle animal is the largest in the big cat family? Is it A, tiger, or B, cat? Question 2. Which jungle animal has a very long tongue to help get insects out of the ground? Is it A, anteater, or B, elephant? Question 3. Which jungle animal uses tools to do different things? Is it A, chimpanzee, or B, tiger? Question 4. Which jungle animal has a very large, colourful beak? Is it A, toucan, or B, hippo? Question 5. Which jungle animal catches turtles out of water? Is it A, a snake, or B, a jaguar? Question 6. Which animal can only be found living in wild Madagascar? Is it A, tiger, or B, lemur? Question 7. Which jungle animal is a reptile? Is it A, zebra, or B, python? Question 8. Which one of these jungle animals is a carnivore, which means it only eats meat and fish? Is it A, the speckled caiman, which is like a crocodile, or is it B, chimpanzee?
Okay, the answer to question 1 is A, tiger. Question 2 is A, the anteater. Question 3 is A, chimpanzee. Question 4 is A again, a toucan. Question 5 is B, jaguar. Question 6 is B, the lemur. Oh, stretch. And 7 is B, python. 8 is A, the speckled caiman.
Okay, that's the end of the Rainforest quiz. How did you get on? I'm out of here, bye!